Both going crazy.
Focus on your energy. If you ain't really down, you my enemy. Oh, I ain't got time to play those games. Can't even call her by her name. What are we doing this for?